No True Tone after writing data on original screen with V1SE operation video. Before writing True Tone code, unbind the phone at first. Connect mobile phone to computer. Log in JCID repair platform. Click brushing to enter the interface. Then click brushing. Select the firmware of the corresponding model and start unbinding. The firmware needs to be downloaded from the third-party platform. Select the firmware of the corresponding model and open it, waiting for the flash process. After flashing, the mobile phone is in recovery mode, then flash normally. Select the firmware of the corresponding model and open it, wait for flashing. If the mobile phone doesn't enter recovery mode, let it enter the recovery mode manually. Just press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and then long press the power button. After the white Apple logo appears, it will enter recovery mode. After entering recovery mode, flash the device by following the above steps. After flashing, the mobile phone has been unbound successfully. Then use V1SE and any of the True Tone adapters that contains the socket of the corresponding mobile phone model. Connect the phone that has been unbound to a computer. Then connect V1SE to computer. Click Repair Fitting on the JCID repair platform. Connect with V1SE after recognizing it. Click Fix True Tone. Waiting to obtain the phone MTSN and LCD code. After getting the code, shut down the phone. Remove the screen and barcode on the corresponding socket of the adapter. Click Fix True Tone on computer. Confirm the screen type and write. True Tone is repaired successfully. Install the screen back on the phone. Repair True Tone without original screen successfully.